scene opens with upbeat music and a colorful animated intro with the Buy Smart logo. Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of your shopping decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mops. Yes, you heard that right. We're comparing the H2O MOP X5 Steam Mop and the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop. Because, let's face it, if you're going to clean, you might as well do it with style. So grab your favorite cleaning snack and let's mop it up. First up, let's talk about the price. The H2O MOP X5 is going for a cool $169, while the Bissell SpinWave is just $154. Reviewers have noted that while the H2O MOP X5 is a bit pricier, many find it to be worth the investment due to its versatility and effectiveness. However, the Bissell SpinWave's lower price point makes it an attractive option for those looking to save a few bucks while still maintaining clean floors. If you want to save some bucks, you might want to give the Bissell a spin. Now, functionality. The H2O MOP X5 is like that Swiss Army knife of mops. It's a 5-in-1 cleaning machine. Reviewers appreciate its versatility for deep cleaning or everyday use, but some have experienced issues with the quality of attachments. Meanwhile, the Bissell SpinWave is all about that cordless freedom, with powerful spinning mop pads that do half the work for you. Many reviewers love how easy it is to handle and effective it is for everyday messes, especially in households with pets or kids. So, if you're the kind of person who thinks, why mop when I can just spin, then Bissell's got your back. Let's talk steam power. The H2O MOP X5 boasts 1,300 watts of steam cleaning power. Reviewers rave about how it blasts away dirt and is especially effective for those with allergies, making cleaning easier. On the flip side, the Bissell SpinWave doesn't use steam, but it does have an on-demand spray feature. Reviewers have noted that while it doesn't have the steam power, its spray feature allows for controlled cleaning, which many find useful for quick touch-ups and managing sticky messes effectively. Now, let's break down the surfaces. The H2O MOP X5 can handle everything from hardwood to grout to even your grandma's prized collection of ceramic cats. Reviewers love its ability to clean various surfaces, although some have found it lacking on tile and grout. Meanwhile, the Bissell SpinWave is specifically designed for sealed hard floors. Many users have praised it for effectively cleaning grout lines and laminate wood floors, making it a great choice if you have sticky messes on wood or tile. Just remember, if your floor is unsealed, it's probably time for a renovation, not a mop. Accessories are always a bonus. The H2O MOP X5 comes with a microfiber floor pad, a bent nozzle, a window cleaning tool, and even some scrubbing brushes. Reviewers appreciate this variety, although some have reported issues with the quality of certain attachments. On the other hand, the Bissell SpinWave includes 2 soft touch pads, 2 scrubby pads, and trial-size PET multi-surface formulas. Pet owners especially appreciate these accessories for maintaining clean homes. Just make sure your pets don't mistake the mop for a new toy. Overall, the H2O MOP X5 is well regarded for its versatility and steam power, making it a great choice for those who prioritize deep cleaning. However, concerns about quality and durability have been noted by some users. The Bissell SpinWave, on the other hand, is praised for its convenience and effectiveness on hard floors, though its short battery life has been a common complaint. So which mop reigns supreme? If you're all about steam cleaning versatility and don't mind the price tag, the H2O MOP X5 is your go-to. But if you want cordless freedom and a mop that practically dances on your floors, the Bissell SpinWave is calling your name. Remember, no matter which mop you choose, the important thing is to keep those floors clean and shiny. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to shop smart. Until next time, happy cleaning and may your floors always be dirt-free. End with upbeat music and the Buy Smart logo, with links to other videos.